Today, we'll demonstrate how DevAssure can revolutionize your testing process using Akasa Air. As an example, we'll show you how to automate critical test cases, ensuring a seamless user experience while significantly reducing testing time and effort. Let's start with a basic scenario: booking a one-way flight from Delhi to Abu Dhabi. Traditionally, this would involve manual testing. With DevAssure, we can automate this process in minutes. Let's start recording the test steps using DevAssure's intelligent recorder. The record and playback feature empowers users to effortlessly capture and replay test scenarios for web applications. It simply captures your actions and generates executable test scripts. As you can see, DevAssure is recording every step, clicks, text inputs, and selections, creating a precise script for the test steps. This is a direct record and playback approach, requiring no coding expertise. One of the standout features is its capability to allow users to select their preferred browsers during the recording process and performing validations on an element while recording. Now, let's play back the recorded script. DevAssure accurately replicates the user's actions, ensuring the flight search is executed correctly. This automation significantly reduces the time required for regression testing, and thus the scenario for flight booking for 2 passengers on a preferred date, including seat and meal selection, is automated in minutes. Furthermore, this recorded script can be easily reused across different environments, ensuring consistent testing across development, staging, and production. Now, before we move to the advanced verification scenario, let's optimize our test case for maximum efficiency. Instead of hard coding Delhi and Abu Dhabi, we'll implement data-driven testing. This allows us to run the same test script with different flight combinations, significantly increasing test coverage. We'll create a data table within DevAssure containing various flight combinations. Each row represents a different test scenario. Then, we'll replace the hard-coded values in our script with variables. These variables will dynamically pull data from our data table during execution. This means we can run the same script for Mumbai to Bangalore, Chennai to Singapore, or any other route, simply by adding rows to our data table. Watch as DevAssure executes the test script multiple times, each time using a different combination of source, destination, and date from our data table and verifying the results. This significantly reduces the effort required to test various flight routes and schedules. DevAssure can identify elements based on text or attributes, allowing for dynamic selection. This simulates real-world user behavior, ensuring critical functionalities are tested thoroughly. Now, let's proceed with the advanced verification scenarios. We'll verify the number of flights, the source and destination details, and the lowest fare tag. Our verifications are dynamic and adaptable to different flight combinations. We can easily add verification steps to ensure the correct number of flights are returned based on our search criteria. We'll verify the source and destination of each listed flight. DevAssure can iterate through the results, extracting and comparing the text against our selected source and destination. Let's make our test even more dynamic by incorporating dynamic date inputs. Instead of fixed departure dates, we can use DevAssure's built-in functions to calculate dates relative to today or even generate random dates within a specific range. This allows us to test various scenarios, like booking flights for tomorrow, next week, or even months in advance. Let's now explore DevAssure's API testing capabilities. Let's consider the test scenario to verify the changing number of flights through the course of day. By fetching data from the API. This allows us to validate the API's response against our expectations, ensuring data consistency between the API and the user interface. With DevAssure, you can seamlessly combine UI and API testing in a single workflow and can ensure the platform functions seamlessly across all layers. We can also perform more complex validations, like checking if the journey time displayed between the source and destination is calculated and displayed correctly. DevAssure can handle complex scenarios, including dynamic content and conditional logic. This ensures a robust and reliable testing process, minimizing the risk of errors in production. Moreover, DevAssure also supports accessibility and visual testing, ensuring your platform adheres to industry standards and detects any visual changes instantly. DevAssure empowers you to automate a wide range of test scenarios, from simple record and playback to complex data-driven and API testing. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, you can ensure a seamless user experience.